Today's topic is how to set up a business profile in Pinterest, also known as creating a brand, and some very easy steps. So first of all, let's talk about why a good profile is important. When someone lands on your Pinterest page, they will figure out in just a few seconds what kind of profile you have. Is it a professional account? Is it a personal account? Is the service that you provide clear? What kind of products can I buy? And what's the vibe of your brand? So in the very best case scenario, everything makes sense and is cohesive. And in the worst case, people are just confused and they will leave the page again. In this day and age, so many companies are trying to get our attention, and we truly decide within some seconds if something is interesting enough to us or not. And it's already hard to get them to your page, so make sure that everything looks neat so they can stay and have a look around. So here's the step-by-step guide. Get a pen out or simply take a screenshot at the end when I do a summary. So number one, convert to a business profile. This is just necessary to see your statistics and open some more features for you on Pinterest. Don't worry, this is absolutely for free. There are no additional extra cost. Number two, next to the name of your business, you want to add keywords about what's your brand about. Let's say you're a family photographer and your brand is your personal name. So no one knows about your name just yet. So what they look for is a family photographer. And this is how your account can be found if you put the keyword right next to your name. Number three, fill in all the details about your location and how people can get in touch with you, like your email address, your website, and maybe a phone number. And if you're still using a landline, let me know in the comments. I want to know. Number four, make sure you have a good quality logo or a picture of yourself as a profile picture. And if it's a picture of yourself, make sure that you smile. Cheese. Number five, write your bio. That one is a bit tricky. You should make clear what your potential client gains. How do you help them with? Remember, this is not about you, this is about your client. So what are common problems for your clients, and how can you provide a solution or maybe a shortcut to something that they are struggling with? And here is where I put the screenshot. If you want to make serious moves with Pinterest, you can sign up for my email challenge. It's completely for free, and don't forget there are no extra costs for placing ads in Pinterest. This is why I'm the biggest fan of Pinterest. And I would send you 5 emails, and each day I will talk you through one aspect of Pinterest, and by the end of the week you are good to go and set off to welcome new audience on your website. I really hope that you like my video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. You know where. Thank you.